Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I've been away for so long. I've been having a lot of technical difficulties, but I was just able to get them fixed a few days ago by putting in a new motherboard. That hard lockup problem that I'd been talking about in my old videos came back and was just bothering me. So I was able to fix it with a new motherboard, and now I'm back. And I want to impart some more wisdom to you guys and help move the project along by spreading awareness. So in this video I'd like to talk about two things. One is where to save your media, and two, how to get rid of that annoying Flickr screensaver that sometimes displays really awkward pictures, and sometimes they're just really lame and awful pictures too. So after this video you'll know where to save your media and how to get your own personal pictures into that screensaver, which is pretty cool. So first of all, we got to get to the KDE desktop, and I actually got rid of all the pictures in my screensaver, so there's a blank screen right now. So what you want to do is click on left click, go to advanced, and go to the desktop, and it might take a second to load, but you'll get here. And by the way, if you want to get back to the LinuxMCE interface, just click on this button, activate Orbiter, take you right back in, and you don't have to click down here. It's just a lot easier to do that. So here's the situation. Let's say that you're just setting up LinuxMCE and you've got an external hard drive with a whole bunch of media on it. Now LinuxMCE can handle USB hard drives just fine. But maybe you want to use that hard drive somewhere else at some point in your life. So you don't want it to be tethered to this computer all the time. You can copy it onto the hard drive of the computer, and you don't know where to put that media. Here's what you do. Go down and click on this little computer and storage media. This is just opening up a file browser, and it'll list all the drives you've got right here. I got a terabyte hard drive, a 160, and a CD-ROM. So let's just imagine that I don't have this terabyte for the time being, and you want to put the media on this hard drive. So click on that. You want to go to the home folder, and then don't go to your username home folder, which in my case would be Alex. You want to go down here to public, right there, and then data. This is where you should save your media, guys. We got folders for audio, documents, pictures, and videos, and then other. So you should put all your media here, and also note that you have to run it as root in order to copy anything into this folder. The permissions are wacky. So you got to click right here, open as root, and you'll get the little bouncy folder. That shows you that you are indeed in root. And actually right now it just opened up a folder I had selected, so I lost where I was. But you can do that to open up a web browser running as root, and then you can copy stuff in here. So put your media here. If you do have a secondary hard drive, it's a good idea to just put all the media on that, and then it will appear right here under other. So this is my terabyte hard drive, and I have three folders in it of music, movies, and TV. But yeah, this is assuming you don't have that second hard drive. So you put your media there, and in my next video I'm going to explain why it is important to do that. LinuxMCE can handle wherever you put your media, but it's just a really good idea to put it here for reasons I'll explain in my next one. Okay, so that's that. Now let's talk about the Flickr screensaver. LinuxMCE has a script built into it where it will download pictures from Flickr, which is just a website that people post any and every photo that they want. It's like YouTube for pictures. And so LinuxMCE will download, so many pictures a day, and then randomly show them to you in the background when you're not doing anything. But sometimes those pictures are a little awkward. You got partial nudity, stuff like that. You've got a lot of people on the toilet, in artistic ways. I don't care if it's artistic. I don't want to see somebody on a toilet. So this is how you can get rid of those pictures and use your own pictures in place of them. or you can also use, you know, your pictures alongside of them. You get the idea. But this is, let me show you where the folder is where those pictures are saved. So I'll go back to the very root of my hard drive. I'm going to go to the home folder, and then Flickr. Where is it? Right there. Now this is where the pictures would be. I've deleted them just because, you know, for the sake of showing you. But they would be in folders, you know, categorized by date, and the screensaver just looks in this folder and searches recursively through any folders that are here. So this is where you're going to paste your photos. And once again, you got to run it as root, so click over here. You get the bouncing folder to show you that you are indeed running as root. And also note that it opens a new browser. It doesn't close the old one, so you've got two browsers in the same spot, but one of them's running as root. Okay, so I got some pictures on the desktop, which I am going to copy into this folder. And these are actually my TV show logos. Okay, so once you paste them in, it will immediately generate thumbnails or ID3 tags, and that's fine. Just, you know, let it go. So you put your pictures in here, and you're done there. And close that other browser that's still open. Okay, so that's half of it. You put your pictures in that folder, and then you need to go into the web admin site. Use your username and password. If you have not changed your password, the username is going to be the same as the password. So, pretty easy there. And now you're in. Now I'm going to talk about the web admin site in my next video, but for now I just want to talk about the screensaver. In the main screen that you get to when you first come to it, you want to go to the top where it says Files and Media and click Screensaver. And this is where you can disable the script that downloads those pictures. It's this button right here. And you click to enable it, click again to disable it. And it says right now that the script is disabled. And right here is supposed to be a button that erases all the pictures in the Flickr folder, but I've had a little bit of trouble with this. Sometimes it doesn't work. So I just say use Dolphin, the file manager, open it as root, and just delete the pictures that are in the Flickr folder. Don't delete the folder itself, but you can delete anything that's in it. So coming back to this page, it says there's no images in the current directory. This is kind of misleading. There actually are pictures in the directory. What you got to do is come over here. We got a hierarchy listed of, you know, navigation. It says home, public, data, pictures, Flickr. So I want to click on Flickr, and then now I have all those pictures listed that I just pasted in. And I can check the box to decide if I want them to be included in the screensaver or not. So they are all checked. I will save it and click Reload Screensaver. I'm a little confused as to what needs to be done to make it actually happen. Okay, look, it looks like that's all you have to do is just click the button that says Save and then Reload Screensaver. And then I pushed Activate Orbiter, and now the pictures are there. So I didn't have to reload the orbiter, I didn't have to reload the router either. I just had to click Reload Screensaver. And there you go. And these are the pictures of my TV shows that I've pasted in there. So you can just imagine that these would be your pictures in all their glory. Okay guys, so that's just two little things that will make your life easier as you use LinuxMCE. The next video, I'm going to talk about the admin site, and should be good. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.